The 10 best makeup mirrors, which is the best for you? Perfect for your vanity or a bathroom counter, our selection of makeup mirrors includes some lighted and magnified options that will enable you to groom and apply cosmetics flawlessly. Available in tabletop, wall-mounted, and convenient portable designs, there is one to suit every need and budget. Some even have high-tech features like Bluetooth connectivity and face sensors. Let's get started with the lists. 1. Glamcore Reiki Skinny. If you're a member of the selfie generation, then you'll appreciate that the Glamcore Reiki Skinny, about $195, has a magnetic surface to which you can stick the included phone holder, so you can snap a photo to share on social media or with friends. Ultra slim design, detachable magnified circle and easy-to-use control panel. 2. Air Expect Trifold. The Air Expect Trifold, around $35, offers 3 color modes, so you can check out your reflection in warmer and cooler lighting. It also has a handy built-in tray on the base that can hold a few of your most frequently used grooming tools and products. Memory function saves settings, grooves keep brushes from rolling and comes in white, black and pink. 3. eHome Reflect 2. Busy individuals will appreciate the thoughtful features of the eHome Reflect 2, around $55. With Siri and Google compatibility and hands-free speakerphone capabilities, it allows you to check on important information, like the weather or traffic, while applying blush. USB port for charging devices, echo-canceling technology and light and audio work independently. 4. Miravana Frameless. The Miravana Frameless, about $25, can be adjusted to almost any angle using the convenient handle, so you won't leave any fingerprints. The heavy base keeps it stable while the non-magnifying surface provides a clear and accurate reflection, without any distortion. Whole face coverage. Edges are beveled and base detaches for storage. 5. Simple Human Sensor. Intuitive and rechargeable, the Simple Human Sensor, about $199, turns on automatically as your face approaches, providing a bright and natural-looking light, thanks to its proprietary True Lux system. Its surgical-grade LEDs should last a very long time. Moderate 5x magnification, available in 4 finishes and on the pricier side. 6. Waneway Vanity. Not only will the bulbs surrounding the Waneway Vanity, around $60, help you with your beauty regimen, they'll also make you feel like a Hollywood star. The touch controls are easy to use and can be used to adjust the brightness and color temperature. Rotates 360 degrees, solid metal frame and included cord is a bit short. 7. Deco Brothers Extension. The Deco Brothers Extension, about $40, is a wall-mounted option that folds away nearly flush, for a clutter-free counter space. It's a great choice for a small vanity area, where every bit of room counts, or for use when standing at a bathroom sink. Long expanding arm, swivels to any angle and is a touch stiff to adjust at first. 8. KDKD Double-Sided. The KDKD Double-Sided, $47, charges using a micro USB cable, and the battery can last for up to 3 weeks with normal daily use. Made from white ABS plastic and chrome-plated stainless steel, it's both durable and easy on the eyes. Simple one-button control, comes with a cleaning cloth and light not as bright as other options. 9. Fancy Eye Compact. With its 5-inch diameter, the Fancy Eye Compact, $25, can easily be tucked into a handbag, but it's still big enough to give you a good view of your face for touch-ups on the go. The exterior comes in glossy black as well as rose gold. Slim and lightweight, offers both 1x and 10x magnification and batteries for light don't last long. 10. Deco Brothers Tabletop. The double-sided Deco Brothers Tabletop, $20, is an attractive model that conveniently rotates 360 degrees and is equipped with a durable frame that should last for years. It's stable enough to not tip over easily, yet light enough to pick up and move around as needed. 8-inch diameter, surface doesn't show fingerprints and magnified side can look distorted. Click the link in the description to get this product.